Hi, I'm Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup Breakup Vlog. And today I'm so excited to be reviewing an eyeshadow palette from Sanchez. This is called the Moods palette. Now, I don't believe I have any of her products, but she does have several sets, and I will post them somewhere here, or at the end of this video. Look at this beautiful color scheme. It looks like a paint box set, actually. Those colors are really bright. And it also reminds me vaguely, fairly reminiscent of the Juvia's Place series, where they have these bright, beautiful colors. And I think that's a bronzer, and that might be a highlight. So everything in one, plus a mirror and a brush. Could anyone ask for anything more? I don't know. This is very intriguing. I'm wondering if I should try the brush. One side is very stiff and at an angle. So that's definitely good for lining or smoking out the bottom. And then there's also this very fluffy brush that you can use to blend with. Also at a slight angle, come to think of it. The brush is very cute. I'm loving these shades. That green is gorgeous. That blue is also amazing. And that purple, I wonder. I will put the prices somewhere here. I did recently receive this from my latest Ipsy Glam Plus bag. So I will post a video somewhere here or at the end of the video as well. So I'm gonna start off, I think I'm gonna make one eye more subdued like every day and the other one a little more colorful. I'm gonna swatch some of these colors here and see how they look on my hand. I'm about swatches, but some people like them, so that's why I do it, to accommodate. But the skin on your hand or your arm has a different texture, tension, and thickness to the tension and thickness that's on the delicate eyelid area. The eyelid area is actually quite thin and delicate, so I'm going to do these swatches first. These are the first three. I don't see names on these. They kind of remind me of Easter egg colors, which is nice. So I'm gonna do these here. Okay, and these are the first three colors right there from the top. Okay, the next one I'm going to do that's last on the top is this bright yellow. It is kind of a bright yellow, but I see maybe a little bit of orange in there. I'm not sure. Let's go for it. So I'm going to do the yellow. And it's a little scratchy, but powdery. It's just slightly, like the shimmers are creamy as anything. The yellow is not a shimmer though. The green and pink from the bottom row are. So this seems like a duochrome, and the green and the color next to it, which are these two, like pinkish, green in these two are kind of shimmery and they're chunky. Can you see the chunks right there? There you go. But so far, very delightful colors. I mean, I think you could get several looks out of this. And the last two are gonna be that blue, that sky egg blue, and that purple. Again, very reminiscent of Easter in a way. So I'm just gonna wipe what's residue is on my hands before I go in with these two guys. These two are both shimmers, very smooth, creamy to the touch. That's how they look there. Put in there. So yeah, there you see, and again, they're chunky. See? Chunky shimmers. But they're glorious. Glorious. So I can't wait to dive in. I think the first one I'm gonna do is gonna be a blue eye. Why not? And I'm gonna use this brush. This brush does pick up the blue really well. I should just go across the... Oh my goodness, look at that, guys. What? That is beautiful. Wow. And I'm just going to go in and just blend it out as much as I can. I think there might be a little bit of fallout, but that's okay. That's what brushes are for. But if you want, you may want to prep the area underneath with a little bit of powder, which is what I should do. Prep the area underneath with just cause. All right, let's continue. And I'm going to, oh wow, that blue's incredible. Maybe I should go in with a little bit of this rose gold in the corner. I don't have a little, this is like a little too big to go in the corner. I mean, I could use it, but I'm just gonna, it's a little big. Oh, that is so pretty. That is glorious. All right, so on the upper, I'm like, I want to try this purple. Why not? I'm gonna mix it in with the blue a little bit to see if I can get a, oh wow. This eye is beautiful, just gorgeous. And I'm just going back into, these colors feel interesting. They feel very beautiful on the eye, but if you're not careful, they seem to disappear. So it's probably a good idea to put a primer on so that these will stick. But there's no guarantee. It's still, it kind of moves around quite a bit. So in one way, it does give you that freedom that if you make a mistake, oh, you can take it out. But the other flip side to it is, if you want the look to set, you probably would do better with having a primer on your eyes first. Looks like an Easter egg, kind of reminds me of Barbie. Gives me a Barbie vibe, Barbie doll vibe. I am loving it. Very Easter-like. I think I might save that look for Easter. I don't know. But let's do an everyday look for the other side. Using, again, the same palette. So I'm going to go in with this color as my base. It appears to be a matte, so that shouldn't be too much of an issue. And again, be very gentle with your brush because there is kickback on this. I am loving this brown, even though it's like a very light beige. It gives me color. There is pigment on this, so that's nice. Very nice indeed. Definitely nice for a day look. Like if you just want to put one on and then go out the door, maybe put an eyeliner on and just leave the house, that would be perfect. Like I would just go out with this, a liner, and I'm done. I'm serious. I mean, look at that. That is so pretty. It goes on so like a dream. I mean, I don't have to work hard. I don't have to, you know, force my brush to go in a whole bunch of directions, and that's just with one dip inside the pan, which is very nice. And I'm gonna go in with this lovely chocolate brown that's right next to it. use that. Again, go gentle with your brush. So I'm gonna go with the tail end here. This is just to provide dimension. I make a V on the outer corner of my eye, like so, and then blend what's left into the crease. Go right above it, since I'm okay. Wow, not bad at all. That is gorgeous. Nice, very nice. I am tempted to try this pink just because, but that could be a whole other color sense in itself, and it may throw off this, you know what, I don't know. And that's the whole point of makeup, is to try out different looks. But that is definitely a day look right there. Even without that second color, just the first one, eyeliner, a little mascara, and I'm done. And sometimes just to make it look a little brighter, I would put like a white liner in this lower lash just to make my eyes look more awake and pop. But I'm gonna try this rosy, pretty color, and I'm gonna put it on the lid from here to about the middle of my eye. See how that looks. Ooh, that is very pretty. Pretty indeed. And under the eye, I'm going to use the same color. Yeah, that is really nice. What do you think, guys? Oh, before I forget, because, and not for nothing, you probably could use this fluffy side to apply what looks like, I think these are highlighters, but I'm gonna try this one first. And again, it's chunky, goes off fairly easy. This might be a lot, but hey, so I'm just gonna, oh, wow, that is intense. I'm gonna try to distribute some of that here. Oh my goodness, that is, let's see, this is like a, oh, that's an iridescence that can't be denied. And I don't know, oh my God, that's another, look at that. Do you see the color on my hand? That's intense. That is gorgeous. And then this is a paler one, so I'll put this on this side and see what happens. I think I just found my new favorite highlighters. Oh, this is intense. Oh my God. Those highlighters are intense. Intense. Definitely say this is a mood palette. Definitely a cosmic, beautifully cosmic mood. I would say this is gorgeous. I don't think I have much of Lauren Sanchez's line, but I think she has 2 other palettes that come with this that I definitely need to check out. What do you think, guys? I am loving this look. Putting some more on my nose. Ah, and then with those highlighters, they are like, I would say they are in direct competition with Ofra's brand. That is delicious. What do you think? What do you think of the Laura Sanchez Moods palette? Let me know in the comments below. I did receive this, if I haven't said already, in my recent Ipsy Glam Bag Plus bag. And I have to say, I am beyond thrilled with this palette. Loving these colors. Let me know in the comments below if you have this palette and what do you think of Laura Sanchez's line. Thank you so much for joining me. This is Dawn Michelle, and of course this is Makeup or Breakup Blog. And I will see you, I guess, on the next video adventure. I'm just gonna stare at my eyes and call it a day.